Oke teman-teman, aku lagi sakit beberapa hari ini. Kita unboxing Paspor. You want to open it?
Sure.
Unboxing Paspor.
Yeah, well.
Paspor Canadian or Indonesian passport?
Oh, I hope it's the real one. I hope it's Indonesian. Because Canadian.
Check my name.
I want to make sure that you're Indonesian, so you stay with Indonesian. Oh.
I'm Indonesian, stay with Indonesian.
Okay, we have the Garuda.
Yeah.
Yeah, Garuda, okay.
Check my name. The first one, honey.
I know. Oh, beautiful. Okay, I'm going to cover your passport.
No,
number.
John showing, otherwise the YouTube delayed it like the other.
I won't, but it's beautiful. Beautiful. Your picture's
YouTube
gorgeous.
delete what? Let me see. Oh, I'm around like an egg.
Okay. You don't want YouTube to...
I know. It's right there. Right there.
There we go.
Yeah. I'm around like an egg.
It's good till 2030.
Okay, now it's the next renew the PR.
Yeah, the PR. Well, this is good till 17 December 2030.
Oh.
Wow.
2030 when
2030. So that's just 20. It's in 5 years.
Yeah, in 5 years I'm 52.
Yeah, you'll get another
When
one.
I'm 52 is finished.
No, you'll get another one
Huh?
next time. Okay, so your numbers. It's not bad. I'll go make a scan of it. I'll go scan it so you have a copy on record. You could put all of your address stuff on there if you want.
What do you mean?
Person, address, telephone, your signature on there if you want to. If you ever travel to Indonesia or somewhere, you should always fill this passport out.
Oh, travel to Indonesia when? Padahal nih paspor expire udah beberapa bulan lalu, kadaluarsa. Kita renew di
Issued in KJRI Vancouver.
Yeah. KJI
KJRI Vancouver.
KJRI.
Yeah, that's it. KJRI. KJRI. For TKW.
No, it's not TKW
Yes,
anymore.
it's IDN, which is Indonesia. IDN TKW.
That's not TKW.
Well, that's your passport number. IDN TKW.
Let me see. You're so proud to have wife as a TKW, don't you?
Of course I am.
What? You proud you're not the same?
I am a TKW.
Huh?
I'm a
You're not the sameless?
I'm TKM.
You are, no, you're not TKM, you are T...
Takeaway. Okay, enough.
Enough for that. Oh, okay. That's my number. It's correct. 79 January. Okay. Oh, I did not look ugly.
You look gorgeous.
Look at that. I'm not look ugly. Look. That's Nimatul.
Okay, enough.
I'm not that ugly. Who said that tampang babu?
You say that. You're low self.
The viewer said my face is like domestic helper face.
Well, you helped a lot of people, and
Yeah.
now you're helping yourself.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Huh. Okay, Panther, come here.
Okay?
Yeah.
I'll go make a scan of
Unboxing.
it, and I'll keep it in the passports. Your other one will go to where? Up here?
Aku tuh dari kemarin sakit ya. Badan aku panas. Ini thermoscan udah 20 tahun. Ya. Jadi gitu. Bye-bye.